Ugh. Scoot over a little bit. It has to be like right in front of it. Good, scoot over. I only have a little bit left in the video. I can only edit the videotape a little bit. Alright, we're doing a pancake eating contest. You can't start yet, dude.
I'm fixing it up.
Me too. I'm fixing it. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, Mom, you say 3, 2, 1, okay?
It's already recording.
Yeah, you say 3, 2, 1 though.
It's already recording.
Yeah, say 3, 2, 1 so we can start it.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
She gets the pancake. Are you kidding me? Ryan's cutting his. What the heck are you cutting yours for? She's still on the first one. Shove it in, Caitlin. Just do it, girl. Just do it. There, the whole thing. Oh, she's got you by her.
I'm gonna pee myself.
Come on, Ryan. Come on, Caitlin. I can't even say it.
I don't post this.
That's what he said. She can't say anything. Oh my God. Now I'm gonna throw up. We're going first. Wait, there's still. Wait, Ryan, you got one bite. She's gonna finish. She's gonna finish. She did it. No, wait, now. Oh my God, Caitlin, that's the most food I've ever seen you eat at one time.